Messed up hairline, bruv. We're live. Are we live? Are we live? You better get in some training, technical thing. Am I live, chat? I gotta see if I'm live. Live? Chat. I gotta see if I'm live. I gotta see if I'm live. Go and pray for the Zamati Khasar. Ready? Where is the one I need, bruv?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ahlan wa sahlan. My name is Yaqut Zaman. Hope you guys are having a wonderful time. Right, this is my YouTube channel, Roots of Knowledge, and as you guys are probably familiar, I make lots of videos on learning Arabic language, learning Quran, learning Hadith. This series is dedicated to helping you guys be able to read the Quran. So if you guys like my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, the bell button. Let's get on with it. Right, so today's lesson is a bit different from before. Now, these are some new sort of like rules we're introducing. So, this word. Abba.
Abba.
Abba. So, you have to pronounce this. Abba. Abba. So, say
Abba.
like this. Abba. This one. Ibba. Ibba. So, Abba. Ibba. Now don't stretch it. Don't say abba. No. Abba. Ibba. Ubba. 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 Ibba. Ubba. The sound should come from your lips. Ubba. Abba. Ibba. Ubba. Okay, you have a go now. So have a go at this. Try to pronounce it yourselves. What's this? Abba. What's this?
Ibba.
Ibba. And what's this?
Ubba.
Ubba. Fantastic. Right, next one. Okay. Atta. 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 Okay, say atta. Atta. Fantastic. And this one?
Itta.
Itta.
Itta. Itta.
And this one?
Utta.
Utta. Utta. Utta. Right, so pronounce it all. Atta.
Itta.
Itta. Utta.
Utta.
Fantastic. Now have a go at this yourselves now. What's this?
Atta.
Atta. What's this?
Utta.
Itta.
Oh, itta.
And what is this?
Utta.
Utta. Right, so atta, itta, and utta. Okay, so again, it is a bit strange. I know it's a bit different, but you'll get used to it, inshallah. Okay, let's have a go at 3 more then. So, atha. So your tongue goes between your teeth. Like this. Look.
Atha.
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 Yeah, so you know, like when someone has a lisp. If you got a lisp, put it in the comments. So like some people have a lisp. When they speak, they can't say sad, say tha, tha. So atha. 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 And this one? Itha. 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 And this one?
Utha.
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 Utha. So atha, itha, utha. Don't stretch. Don't say atha. No. Atha, itha, utha. Fantastic.
What's good, brother? How you doing, brother? I try to learn how to, like, read in different language.
Right, have a go at this yourselves now. So how do you say this? Have a go.
Atha.
Atha. And how do you say this?
Itha.
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 And how do you say this?
Utha.
Utha. Atha.
Check NASDAQ. Hold on, I
Utha.
got you. Cause like, I gotta finish this whole 20 minutes. Check NASDAQ for you. Which one? Which one is NASDAQ? NAS 100, right? Oh. 4 hour looks like bearish. 1 hour is bearish. All you need is like a you got an order block right over here. You got this buy side liquidity right over here. This other one. You could be aiming for this retest. Sell side, then go to fill in the 50% of the mark. Oh, you already got in. Wait, my servers won't load the charts. Already got it. I'm in the stop or break even. Oh shoot. You should be going right over here though. The 50% mark you should be going to. But this 50% mark, right? This has to go like, they all have to go lower than 50%. Wait, 4 hour liquidity, eternal liquidity is where I got my TP. I tried to manually set up, so yeah, I took it. Now 4 hour fair value gap. So we need a 4 hour fair value gap right here, or you could go to this. I mean, this. You going all the way down here? Are you going all the way down here, brother? Here? To that side? That's kinda. I mean, that might not go over there, bro. It's Monday, bro, and plus, the market usually hella slow. So like, you should go to the fair value gap and fill the fair value gap. Cause look what it did the last day. You know, it filled it filled this even more. In reaction out of it. Oh, see right here. Yep. See, my English is not good. You know what I'm saying? That's why. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. I like. I don't even know what internal means, but hey, that man, you got the dailies with you. You got the 4 hour with you. You got the 1 hour with you, bro. Wait, when did you get in? When did you get in? When did you get in? Good, like. Oh, it turned me inside. Okay, so inside the fair value gap. So you're probably going for the 50% mark, yeah? Oh, you took it out of this hourly sweep of these highs? Or did you take it from here? How about an hour ago? Hold on, so 1, so at 5 p.m. That's when you took it. I mean a.m. So I mean you had the sweep of these highs, they're gonna go down, but you just took out sell side liquidity though. Bro, low key, hourly sweep, yeah. So you took this hourly sweep and went down. But you should low key just go touch this right here and go back down. You should touch this and go right back down. You see this like 15-minute auto block? Touch that and go down, or touch that and this. You got these two on your side, so you kind of chilling, bro. You got those two just chilling with you. Breaker block and auto block. I mean, let's just hope your break even spot is right here, not down here. You got this fair value gap as well too, so you chilling. Salam, brother. क्या हाल है यार? Tiku. Walaikum assalam. Buddy, I'm very Tiku. I am Alhamdulillah, brother. तू कैसा है? तू कैसा है भैया?
Right, fantastic. Let's do another 3.
Ajja,
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 ajja. Excellent.
ajja,
Ijja,
ijja, ijja, ijja,
fantastic. And ujja,
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 ujja.
ujja,
So now, again, same thing. Ajja,
ajja,
ijja, ujja.
ujja,
Now don't say ajja, ijja. No.
ajja,
Ijja, ujja.
ujja.
Fantastic. Right, have a go at this yourselves now. What's this?
Ijja,
Ajja. And
Ajja.
what's this?
ijja,
Ijja.
ijja,
And what is this?
ujja,
Ujja.
ujja,
Fantastic. Ajja,
ijja,
ijja.
ujja.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Right, 3 more now. So we're doing quite a lot of these today because these are quite easy. And I know once you get the hang of it, you guys will be able to zoom through them. Right, what's this? Aha. So ha in the middle of your neck. It's a bit hard to pronounce. You might need to pronounce this.
Aha, aha, aha. So you took it out of a super high, short bias, 5 min, makeup structure with equilibrium and fair gap, and auto block, a 1 minute, makeup to the downside and out of the confluences. Ooh. Let me check that too, brother. Hold up. What is this? New tab. So hourly sweep, which was over here, breakup structure down here. We had this whole boom, boom, equilibrium spot, boom above, right on that 62% mark. You took out of that. Oh, you took it out of here though. I don't know if you took it out. Wait, 5-minute breakup structure with equilibrium and provide gap and auto block. Oh, so you probably took it over here. Let's see. Touch, boom, touch, boom. So that's why I gotta say this then every day to myself. I can't trade during NFP, PPI, CPI, and PMI, and PPI. I have to be patient, confident, fearless, emotional, not greedy. I will be disciplined. I'll wait for the 5-minute breakup structure first, then get a 5-minute building block, then transition to 1 minute and wait for a 1-minute breakup structure, then execute. I will buy and discount, and I will not be greedy on my take profits or none of that. Just hope I follow that, and I will.
A lot, like 20 times, 30 times, 50 times. So say okay, and this one. And this one. So and the like you're breathing, right? Again, have a go at this yourselves now. So what's this? Yep, you got it. And what is this? And what is this? So fantastic. Bit difficult, I know these ones are, but if you got it right, put in the comments. Okay, well, this is the last three now. So how would you say this? The back of your throat, the back of your mouth. Sorry. Like you're clearing out your mouth with spit. I know it's not a nice thing to think about. And so okay, have a go at this yourselves. How do you say this? How do you say this? And how do you say this? Fantastic. Excellent, excellent. Right, now some examples now. So a few examples today, not too many. Right. So try to pronounce this. Okay, try to pronounce it.
So وفاكه wait هتنوى أتو حتى أو no تنوى توا so is وفاكه هتوا بن أبن no أبا but that's a أبن so I got it right, I think.
Right, so what is this?
Ban
Ab. We're going to break it down, okay? So ab. And this part? Ban. So abban. Okay, so abban.
So I got it right. So yeah, I got it right.
Okay, and how do you pronounce this?
Tau.
So this is tau.
So it's wa.
And this part?
Tau wa.
So you have to break it down. So توأبن 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 like that.
توأبن.
Okay. What's this?
Fa.
Fa. Stretch. That's a little alif there. Fa. 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 What's this?
Wa.
Wa.
وفاكهة.
And what's this?
Ki.
Ki. Ki.
Ki.
And what's this?
That's
Ha. Ha.
How am I getting
Now, this is a bit
wrong,
difficult
bro?
today. I know it's a bit difficult, but have a go at pronouncing all of it. Okay, so وفاكهة وأبا وفاكهة وأبا. Fantastic. Right, so let's have a go at another one then. Right, try to pronounce this one yourselves. Okay, try to pronounce it.
No, that's أغي.
Okay.
Wait. Yo, غي. I forgot to do this one. غي. No, it is غي. So غير الله الله التا نو.
Have a go. Okay. So
غير
what is this one?
الله
Atta.
No.
Okay, what is this?
Oh my god.
Ral. Ral. You join the ral to the la. Ral. Ral. And what's this? And what's this? غي. غي.
Oh, it's supposed to get on these. That's what it's supposed
And what is this?
Lahi.
لا. So غير الله. And what is this? He. غير الله. He. And what is this? خي. خي. And what is this? Dhu. Right, so now pronounce all of it. This is a difficult one, right? If you get this right, put in the comments. أغير الله أتخذ. أغير الله أتخذ. It's a bit of a difficult one there. But don't worry, inshallah, you'll do well. Right, another example now. Have a go at this. Try to pronounce this as best as you can. Okay, right. Now let's break it down. What's that?
الثاقلتم.
This. If. And what is this? If. And what is this?
قل.
قل. إثاقل. إثاقل. And what is this?
Tum.
Tum. Tum. إثاقلتم. إثاقلتم. Okay, bit of an easier one than the previous ones. إثاقلتم. Okay, let's have. Okay, one more. Let's do. Have a go at this one. Okay, again, have a go at.
أخر. أخرنا أخرنا أهن أهن أهنهم أهنهم. Can't say it
Just
right.
try to pronounce this. Take your time, pause if you have to.
أخرنا
Okay, what's this?
أخ
Akh,
هم
akh. And this? Khar, khar.
خر
And this?
نا
Na, stretch, na. And this?
هم
Hum. And this?
أن
An.
أن
So pronounce it all together.
أخرنا أن
أخرنا عنهم. Fantastic. MashaAllah. Excellent. Well done, MashaAllah. Right, so let's now have a go at testing you guys. So those words that we did over there, now it's a test for you. So it's a short test today. Pronounce this.
و
How we go pronounce this?
وفاكه وفاكهة وأبان
وفاكهة وأبا.
This guy says so fast.
Now if I read it with a tone, وفاكهة وأبا. Okay, have you got this right? Put in the comments. Right, next one. How do you pronounce this? Have a go. Pause it if you have to. Okay, so إثاقلتم. And if you read with the tone, إثاقلتم. If you got this right, put it in the comments as well. Which one of you guys is reading with the tone? Put it in the comments as well. Okay, have a go at this one. Okay, if you have to pause it. Okay, how would you pronounce this then? أخرنا عنهم. أخرنا عنهم. And with the tone? أخرنا عنهم. Not much of a difference at the moment because we're only reading a few words. Right. And if any of you guys want to record your recitation and send it to me so I can listen to you, excellent. Do that. Emails in the description below. Right, let's do one more then. So we got one more before the very long ones. Okay, so have a go at this.
أغير
Okay, pause it.
أغير الله أغير الله أغير الله الثاخذ.
If you have to.
Oh, that boy, hey, my boy, I hope, Aaron, I hope we got a good one. Go to the other room. Go. I gotta turn off the light. Go. What's you? Make sure, like, what do you call it? You made the thing right. The compel. Make sure you like fold it up.
Here, this one.
Yeah.
أغير الله أتخذ. أغير الله أتخذ. And with the tone. أغير الله أتخذ. Fantastic. If you got this right as well, put it in the comments, inshallah. Right, now some long ones for you guys to test yourselves with. Right, have a go at this if you guys think you can do it. And I know you can do it. Remember, if you need to pause, by all means, pause it.
Bro, I look like, oh, I don't like the way this is, bro. I like it this way. Man, I look like a jungle man. What the heck?
Okay,
Oh, that's a long word.
so
Hold up. Anybody want me? All right. Dang it.
right.
So, Yawal, Yawai, wa, Yawaila, wa Yawaila, wait, so wait. So, yo, no, Yawa, Yawaila, to, tay, la, lan, lay, lay, to, bay, ba, nay or bay, nay, la, لم لا نيلا لم الثاخي ذو قلا نا نان خال no lay خليلان.
Let's have a read of this then. يا ويلتى ليتني لم أتخذ فلانا خليلا. Yeah, did you get that? Right, play it back, listen to it again. Let's read it with a tone now. يا ويلتى ليتني لم أتخذ فلانا خليلا.
Wow.
MashaAllah. If you got that right, put it in the comments. And if you got the tone as well, excellent. Right, let's have a go at another one now. Let's see if you guys can do this.
Wow.
Remember, if you need to pause, don't worry about it. Pause it and try to pronounce it as best as you can.
سلنامي منال
Okay, so this one's a bit of a tricky one, right?
مؤثرة صراطي مأنثخا جن
And you'll see why. وأنزلنا من المعصرات ماء ثجاجا. You see what is tricky? ثجاجا. We haven't done thaj, we done edge, but thaj is very similar. Okay, how would you pronounce it with a tone? وأنزلنا من المعصرات ماء ثجاجا. Excellent. If you got this right, put in the comments. Last one now. This one's a bit long.
These type of words bring peace to my mind. Allah shit for real though.
So let's see if you guys can read this, inshallah.
Inshallah,
Like I
tabarakallah.
said, but main thing is practice is gonna make you perfect, inshallah. And if you need to pause it 100 times, don't worry about it. Pause it as many times as you need, because the main thing is practice and recognizing the words. Alhamdulillah, by now you should be able to read the Quran.
Wait.
Okay, so we're almost there. Okay, so
يوما صيهم هم الأرض أبو فا يا قولوا الذي ضينا run. Wait. No, so ربنا أخيرا أخيرنا جيلا قريبا. It's so hard, man.
وأنذر الناس يوم يأتيهم العذاب فيقول الذين ظلموا ربنا أخرنا إلى أجل قريب. Did you get that? Play back. Listen to it again. Let's read it with a tone. وأنذر الناس يوم يأتيهم العذاب فيقول الذين ظلموا ربنا أخرنا إلى أجل قريب. Alhamdulillah, MashaAllah.
Alhamdulillah.
Well done to all of you guys for practicing. If you got them all,
Jazakallah khair, brother. Thank you very much. That's it for today. I forgot to go post my YouTube videos. Blood, I have to go get some subscribers, man. Somebody, yo, if you guys into the stream, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. I need to get that YouTube automation. I need to get that YouTube thing. I need to get money. You know what I'm saying? Tight. Feel me? Tight. Yo, guys, you just gotta feel me, man. You know what I'm saying? That's the only thing I'm uploading for that and for journaling. You know what I'm saying? So check your ass out here. You guys better like my thing. You know what I'm saying? Let's go over to a thing. Yo, hopefully you're winning, Irwin, brother. Hopefully you're steering a trick because it's coming back down. Hopefully you winning. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not childish anymore. So I'm basically chat. Let me go make my This is the 4/8/2024 market daily buy. Let's get into it. 4 hour looks bullish due to what? Breakout to the downside upside. 1 hour is bullish as well. No breakout to the downside yet. So that leads me to be what? Bullish for the day. So what can we get? Retracement. And the hourly, if we go back to 4 hour, we have a fair value gap. Ooh, you guys know, you guys like that fair value gap. We got that fair value gap. We got this huge, you call this the hourly, you know what I'm saying, hourly. You could call it the hourly, like, you feel me, type. You could call it the hourly, like, auto block. Cause I forgot the name. I don't know what that's like for. So let me go back to 4 hour. Let me change this, the color of this. Let me go put it as a, you know what I'm saying, chat. You feel me? You guys gotta feel me. I know you gotta feel me. Let me change this to fair value gap part. So we got that. We got an hourly auto block. And look, and that's basically a 4 hour auto block. Okay, so we can call that a 4 hour auto block. So we go back to hourly. We get this other hourly fair value gap. We got this hourly liquidity sweep that we could do. Sell side sweep. Sweep this low, touch this fair value gap, and probably touch this and go back up. We have our buy side liquidity. Bro, recently, bro, gold has been going up for no reason, bro. I mean, they're printing so much money, man. Let me print out some money too, please. Please. So where can I go with my take profit? My take profit will probably be there. Okay, so let's go back to it. So what do we want from? Actually, let's go to DXY then go back here. So DXY looks like what? DXY 4 hours bullish. Okay, that's a bad sign. Just took sell side liquidity. Where did it take recent liquidity from this? It took it from the sell side. Nope. No, not really. Not from sell side. So 4 hour bullish. 1 hour is bullish as well. So when DXY goes down, gold goes up. So we want gold to go. We want DXY to go down. So it just swept out these highs, which is causing it to go down. That's good. That's a good sign. But that's before market open, which is a bad sign. We want this to get a sweep of this. Woohoo! We got an hourly fair value gap. Go back to 4 hour. We got anything under 4 hour? Nope. Let's go 30 minute. We could call this as a. We got this auto block. You say so. Yeah, you could. I mean, you could call it an auto block if you want to, but I don't mind. We have this breaker auto block that got touched right here. Okay. So what we want from DXY, actually, where we want to aim for on DXY is we want to aim for this sell side liquidity. This sell side liquidity. These two are the main sell side liquidity we want to look for, because I mean, you could do this too. If this ends bullish, we're looking for this as well to get swept, to go down. The reason we're not going to do this is because you took so much liquidity from here. The chance of it going back down here is kind of low. So over here, we're like a high probability. These two spots are the high probability. So what I want from gold, really, like, to be honest, sweep out these lows, touch his fair value gap. Make sure the fair value gap doesn't get ended on a body. Make sure the body doesn't touch doesn't fill the whole fair value gap in. But sweep of these lows, touch his fair value gap, touch his auto block. If you want to go down here, touch his fair value gap and go back up. Wait for a 5-minute breakup structure, 5-minute confluence, and go to 1 minute and wait for 1 minute breakup structure. Then enter. Then let's see if we're in a discount spot. Let's see actually we're in a discount spot right now or no. I'm supposed to go from a high to a low. From a higher to a low. We're currently on a discount spot as well. Or you could take it down here. You know, there's a major spot down here if you want to do a discount, but usually it's down here or right here. Well, let's go for the recent one. But we'll find out later. We're gonna find out later. Not right now. But that is my daily bias for 4/8/2024 market recap. Market daily bias. Thank you for watching. I need to get some algorithm. I need some views, baby. /4/2024/2020 daily bias. Forex ICT. No, it's not made for kids. Ho ho ho. الذين. Alright. 30 minutes, we got nothing. Cause I know I'm gonna get swept. I'm gonna get swept. Sweats. The market open to the next hour. The candle is just like where, like, right here. We got a whole 47 minutes to market open, man. This is gonna be a long ride. Fix it right. خانه قدسی داشتک پشت بخی پا کشتک huh? Okay, I gotta do this.
After this.
Oh, I gotta work.
You don't got no shit.
I work today. I work from 1 to 11.
Stop lying.
I do.
Today's Monday, stop, okay.
No, I told him to work that day. I don't want to work yesterday. Scared. I turn off my light. Ari. Alright, chat. How y'all doing? We back on the track. Let's see how my boy Nasdaq is going. Next one, honey. Oh, that we're going down. Bro, I don't know why I marked that splash file for. Come on, get out of here, man. Well, let me go give you my. This is how the market looking, dog. Big bar. Yo, that sounded gay, chat. Why did I just do that, bro? That sounded gay. Big bar. Yo, I can't do it. I can't do it. What am I doing, man? What am I doing with my life, man? Big puppy ducky. Bro, I found out why TikTok is so addictive, bro. When you watch TikTok, right? When you watch TikTok, bro, I thought I was watching TikTok for like 5 minutes. Scrolling, bro. That was it went from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. I'm like, this guy just scammed me, dog. Bro, TikTok is so scammy. You know why it's so scammy? When you watch it, right, it zooms in where you can't see your time. So you can't see what time it is, right? You can't see what time it is, right? Some people are woke. Some people are like smart, right? What does woke mean? Hold on. I heard in social media, woke means something like bad, you know what I'm saying? What does woke mean? Beto, what does woke mean? Woke meaning. Whoa, what the fuck? Hey, not woke. So basically, like, yeah, hear me out, chat. Hear me out. When you on TikTok, right? Originally so addictive, bruh. Cause like when you when you on TikTok, right? Right when you on TikTok, right? They zoom in so you can't see the time. You can't be like what time it is. Cause some people are smart, right? They be like, I can only watch TikTok for a little time. So they did check the time. But TikTok, you can't see the time. So that boy just scroll. That's like what? From 10 minutes to an hour. I was telling you like 2 hours, man. Like no good, man. That's why I delete TikTok, man. I will only post once I'm famous, dog. Like you hear me, dog? You hear me, dog? Give me a handshake, like. See, I'm so smart, bro. Big Mama Clap. Okay, liquidity providers don't have relabeled level and position in time less certain their position. Meanwhile, time has been removed as no longer relevant. On my base opinion, Fed AGP had been shifted towards on the 15th last month for the contract. Bro, stop. What did I just say, bro? Shiba Inu.
عما يتساءلون عن النبأ العظيم
You're gonna like this. You just gotta listen to this, man. I don't care if you're not a Muslim or a Muslim. I'm gonna put this right. I know be watching my live stream, bruv. But I'm gonna put this right now and right here. Cause I don't give a frig, man.
لام ميم. تلك آيات الكتاب الحكيم هدى ورحمة للمحسنين الذين يقيمون الصلاة ويؤتون الزكاة وهم بالآخرة هم يوقنون أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون ومن الناس من يشتري لهو الحديث ليضل عن سبيل الله بغير علم ويتخذها هزوا أولئك لهم عذاب مهين وإذا تتلى عليه آياتنا ولى مستكبرا كأن لم يسمعها كأن في أذنيه وقرا فبشره بعذاب أليم إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات في جنات النعيم خالدين فيها إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم جنات النعيم خالدين فيها وعد الله حقا وهو العزيز الحكيم خلق السماوات بغير عمد ترونها وألقى في الأرض رواسي أن تميد بكم وبث فيها من كل دابة وأنزلنا من السماء ماء فأنبتنا فيها من كل زوج كريم هذا خلق الله فأروني ماذا خلق الذين من دونه بل الظالمون في ضلال مبين ولقد آتينا لقمان الحكمة أن اشكر لله ومن يشكر فإنما يشكر لنفسه ومن كفر فإن الله غني حميد وإذ قال لقمان لابنه وهو يعظه يا بني لا تشرك بالله إن الشرك لظلم عظيم وإذ قال لقمان لابنه وهو يعظه يا بني لا تشرك بالله إن الشرك لظلم عظيم ووصينا الإنسان بوالديه حملته أمه وهنا على وهن وفصاله في عامين أن اشكر لي ولوالديك إلي المصير وإن جاهداك على أن تشرك بي ما ليس لك به علم فلا تطعهما وصاحبهما في الدنيا معروفا واتبع سبيل من أناب إلي ثم إلي مرجعكم فأنبئكم بما كنتم.
But this surah is so beautiful.
تلك آيات الكتاب الحكيم هدى ورحمة للمحسنين الذين يقيمون الصلاة ويؤتون الزكاة وهم بالآخرة هم يوقنون أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون ومن الناس من يشتري لهو الحديث ليضل عن سبيل الله بغير علم ويتخذها هزوا أولئك لهم عذاب مهين وإذا تتلى عليه آياتنا ولى مستكبرا كأن لم يسمعها كأن في أذنيه وقرا فبشره بعذاب أليم إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات في جنات النعيم خالدين فيها إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم جنات النعيم خالدين فيها وعد الله حقا وهو العزيز الحكيم خلق السماوات بغير عمد ترونها وألقى في الأرض رواسي أن تميد بكم وبث فيها من كل دابة وأنزلنا من السماء ماء فأنبتنا فيها من كل زوج كريم هذا خلق الله فأروني ماذا خلق الذين من دونه بل الظالمون في ضلال مبين ولقد آتينا لقمان الحكمة أن اشكر لله ومن يشكر فإنما يشكر لنفسه ومن كفر فإن الله غني حميد وإذ قال لقمان لابنه وهو يعظه يا بني لا تشرك بالله إن الشرك لظلم عظيم وإذ قال لقمان لابنه وهو يعظه يا بني لا تشرك بالله إن الشرك لظلم عظيم ووصينا الإنسان بوالديه حملته أمه وهنا على وهن وفصاله في عامين أن اشكر لي ولوالديك إلي المصير وإن جاهداك على أن تشرك بي ما ليس لك به علم فلا تطعهما وصاحبهما في الدنيا معروفا واتبع سبيل من أناب إلي ثم إلي مرجعكم فأنبئكم بما كنتم تعملون يا بني إنها إن تك مثقال حبة من خردل فتكن في صخرة مثقال حبة من خردل فتكن في صخرة أو في السماوات أو في الأرض يأت بها الله إن الله لطيف خبير يا بني أقم الصلاة يا بني أقم الصلاة وأمر بالمعروف وانه عن المنكر واصبر على ما أصابك إن ذلك من عزم الأمور ولا تصعر خدك للناس ولا تمشي في الأرض مرحا إن الله لا يحب كل مختال فخور واقصد في مشيك واغضض من صوتك إن أنكر الأصوات لصوت الحمير ألم تروا أن الله سخر لكم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وأسبغ عليكم نعمه ظاهرة وباطنة ومن الناس من يجادل في الله بغير علم ولا هدى ولا كتاب منير وإذا قيل لهم اتبعوا ما أنزل الله قالوا بل نتبع ما وجدنا عليه آباءنا أولو كان الشيطان يدعوهم إلى عذاب السعير ومن يسلم وجهه إلى الله وهو محسن فقد استمسك بالعروة الوثقى وإلى الله عاقبة الأمور ومن كفر فلا يحزنك كفره إلينا مرجعهم ثم ننبئهم بما عملوا إن الله عليم بذات الصدور إلينا مرجعهم فننبئهم بما عملوا إن الله عليم بذات الصدور نمتعهم قليلا ثم نضطرهم إلى عذاب غليظ ولئن سألتهم من خلق السماوات والأرض ليقولن الله قل الحمد لله بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون لله ما في السماوات والأرض إن الله هو الغني الحميد ولو أن ما في الأرض من شجرة أقلام والبحر يمده من بعده 7 أبحر ولو أن ما في الأرض من شجرة أقلام والبحر يمده من بعده 7 أبحر ما نفدت كلمات الله إن الله عزيز حكيم ما خلقكم ولا بعثكم إلا كنفس واحدة إن الله سميع بصير ألم تر أن الله يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري لأجل مسمى كل يجري إلى أجل مسمى وأن الله بما تعملون خبير ذلك بأن الله هو الحق وأن ما يدعون من دونه الباطل وأن الله هو العلي الكبير ألم تر أن الفلك تجري في البحر بنعمة الله ليريكم من آياته إن في ذلك لآيات لكل صبار شكور وإذا غشيهم موج كالظلل دعوا الله مخلصين له الدين.
الحمد لله.
Salat al-Khusuf or the eclipse prayer. Jazakallah khair. Wajazakum. The eclipse prayer.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن يسرا فإذا تبارك الذي جعل في السماء ولا تقولن لشيء لئن انتهى شهر رمضان فإن حق الله لا ينتهي إلا بالموت. Zakat al-Fitr is a special zakat that is before the Eid Salah on Eid al-Fitr. And it's due on every Muslim who can afford it and for every family member in that household. So even if you have a baby, you have to pay Zakat al-Fitr for that child. The amount is 3 kilograms of a staple foodstuff. And so that would be for each family member in that house, you would give 3 kilograms of that foodstuff. Or if you take the Hanafi opinion, you can give a cash equivalent. And that does carry some weight, as the cash might be more useful nowadays for the poor people to help celebrate the Eid. The Prophet ﷺ enjoins Zakat al-Fitr on us as a purification for the fasting person after fasting Ramadan, to cover any errors or mistakes, and to help the poor to be able to celebrate the Eid. Zakat al-Fitr is a special zakat.
How am I supposed to do this? I'm broke.
Eid Salah.
Did you know that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam summarized his 23 years of du'as into one dua? This dua covers everything we could ever ask for or seek refuge from. Share this video as everlasting charity.
اللهم إني أسألك من خير ما سألك عبدك ونبيك محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم، وأعوذ بك من شر ما عاذ منه عبدك ونبيك محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم.
So the market is on edge right now, and you don't want to miss this week's 3 events, especially the last one. First, on Wednesday, April 10th at 2 in the afternoon, we will have a very valuable report that will give us an insider look into the last Fed meeting. I'm talking, of course, about the FOMC minutes. We might learn some valuable information about the Fed current way of thinking about the inflation and interest rates. Second, we're kicking off Q2 with a few earnings this week. Monday is pretty calm, and Tuesday we only have Tilray. Wednesday we have Delta Airlines, and not much on Thursday, but the biggest day of the week is Friday with major financial institution reporting their earnings. We have JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, BlackRock, and Citigroup all reporting before the opening. Finally, the biggest event this week might create a lot of volatility. The Consumer Price Index inflation report will be released on Wednesday. We're expecting the headline inflation to go up and the core inflation to go slightly down. The next day, we have the Producer Price Index that will give us inflation at the wholesale level, and it's also expected to go up. Also, April 10th is the last day to get the Mastering Financial Statements course for free when you must be a
You guys had to promote his thing to me.
Right, you should. Absolutely, you should.
your every sin you have ever done.
Going bicep curls for 30 days straight, but every day I add 2 bicep curls more. Doing bicep curls for 30 days straight, but every day I add 2 bicep curls more.
أرأيت المرء يكثر من قول اللهم إني أسألك الفردوس الأعلى. أرأيت المرء يكثر من قول اللهم إني أسألك الفردوس الأعلى من الجنة بلا حساب ولا سابق عذاب فاعلم أن الله قد كتبها له.
هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون. هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون اصلوها اليوم.
Weigh this ounce of gold to somebody watching this video. All you have to do is get your comment pinned. What should your comment be? Well, it should be a translation of the following. So if you could translate that, cite where it's from, and put it in the comments and have your comment pinned, this ounce of gold is yours. Weigh this ounce of gold to somebody watching this video. All you have to do is get your comment pinned. What should your comment be? Well, it should be a translation of the following.
so friendly to take off all my other jewelry. I was like, here, take it. You know, whatever, get rid of it. But with this, they felt the resistance, you know, and he was intelligent enough to say, what am I going to risk? He's got all this jewelry. What am I going to risk trying to take this star? And, you know, he heard the tone of my voice for something that's a couple of dollars when I could get away scot-free with what it was. So, you know, it's all, you know, it's all in the mind. In all essence, I was so friendly to take. For some places, I have, you know, the only thing in life. So if you could translate that, cite where it's from, and put it in the comments, and have your comment pinned, this ounce of gold is yours. Weigh this ounce of gold to somebody watching this video. All you have to do is get your comment pinned. What should your comment be? Well, it should be a translation of the following. What? So if you could translate that, cite where it's from, and put it in the comments, and have your comment pinned, this ounce of gold is yours. Weigh this ounce of gold to somebody watching this video. All you have to do is get your comment pinned. What should your comment be? Well, it should be a translation of the following. What? So if you could translate that, cite where it's from, and put it in the comments, and have your comment pinned, this ounce of gold is yours. Weigh this ounce of gold to somebody watching this video. All you have to do is get your comment pinned. What should your comment be? Well, it should be a translation of the following. What? So you could translate.
ما فيها لله الذي أفلا يكفرون.
What if I buy a funded account and take out the 100,000? So with a funded account, you only keep the profits you make. So let's say you make $10,000 from this 100,000, you would keep maybe $9,000, and they keep the other 1,000. I like the way you think, though. What if I buy a funded account and take out the 100,000? So with a funded account, you only keep the profits you make. So let's say you make $10,000 from this 100,000, you would keep maybe $9,000, and they keep the other 1,000. I like the way you think, though. What if I buy? Sunnahs of Eid ul-Fitr. Number 1, take ghusl. Number 2, eating dates.
Hey man, how's life? I don't know. It's alright. I've been dealing with some things like every human being and really didn't sleep much last night. I'm sorry. That's fine. I just think I need a little me time. I just think I need a little free time. A little break from the shows and the bus ride. Hey man, how's the...
والذي أنزل السكينة. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Sir, I want to reveal you some truth for which Allah has sent me. Because the topic was going about Hazrat Isa, and everybody knows that Hazrat Isa is going to come back. I myself want to reveal something, that I myself is Imam Mahdi. I am the witness of the arrival of Jesus Christ. Be peace upon him. You are the Mahdi. Because I am the Allah's messenger which I have taken, and Allah has told me that you have to go and tell, because this is the high time. This is the high time. We are not doing what we are not ordered to.
This is not enough.
Need to put in a request for time off next week because it's going to be Eid. Sure, no problem. Just let me know what day you need off. I need either Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Wait, so you need all of those days or just one of those three? I just need one, but I don't know which one yet. So when will you let me know? As soon as I know? And when will that be? Very high percent check that it's going to be Wednesday, so let's take that day off first. But there is a possibility that it will change to Tuesday or Thursday, and I will not know until the night before. You don't know what day you need off? No, Deborah, I don't know when the moon is going to show up. So why did Hamza only take Thursday off? I don't know why Hamza only took Thursday off. If anything, he's probably missing Eid completely because Thursday is the least probable out of the 3 days. But you said Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Yeah, most likely Wednesday, possibly Tuesday, even less than possibly Thursday.
Oh!
Maybe I won't know until the night before. So you don't know what...
Previous nations, Allah told them to pay 10% in zakah. We are a special nation. And even in our laws, Allah shows us that we're special. That Allah will make us pay 2.5 because we will pass 10% by ourselves. But are we there? We struggle just to hit 2.5. And we want the rules to change to make a non-zakatable project a zakatable because we can only help it from zakah. When in actual fact, zakah is somebody else's money in your account. It's already somebody else's money in your account. You have the burden of getting it out of your account. Previous nations, Allah told them to pay 10% in zakah. We are a special nation. Even in our laws, Allah shows us that we're special. That Allah will make us pay 2.5 because we will pass 10% by ourselves. But are we there? We struggle just to hit 2.5. And we want to change to make a non-zakatable project a zakatable because we can only help it from zakah. When in actual fact, zakah is somebody else's money in your account. It's already somebody else's money in your account. You have the burden of getting it out of your account. Previous nations, Allah told them to pay 10% in zakah. We are a special nation. And even in our laws, Allah shows us that we're special. That Allah will make us pay 2.5 because we will pass 10% by ourselves. But are we there? We struggle just to hit 2.5. And we want the rules to change to make a non-zakatable project a zakatable because we can only help it from zakah. When in actual fact, zakah is somebody else's money in your account. It's already somebody else's money in your account. You have the burden of getting it out of your account. Previous nations, Allah told them to pay 10% in zakah. We are a special nation. And even in our laws, Allah shows us that we're special. That Allah will make us pay 2.5 because we will pass 10% by ourselves. But are we there? We struggle just to hit 2.5. And we want the rules to change to make a non-zakatable project a zakatable because we can only help it from zakah. When in actual fact, zakah is somebody else's money in your account. It's already somebody else's money in your account. You have the burden of getting it out of your account. Previous nations, Allah told them to pay 10% in zakah. We are a special nation. And even in our laws, Allah shows us that we're special. That Allah will make us pay 2.5 because we will pass 10% by ourselves. But are we there? We struggle just to hit 2.5. And we want the rules to change to make a non-zakatable project a zakatable because we can only help it from zakah. When in actual fact, zakah is somebody else's money in your account. It's already somebody else's money in your account. You have the burden of getting it out of your account.
Yo, chill. Back.
Ah,
أنا 7 في 7 إيه صدق والله تتزوج لا عندي جاري 2 أنا 7 في 7 إيه صدق والله تتزوج لا عندي جاري 2
It's not a crisis, so it's already decided. They're so calm. And by the way, is that scary? Super scary. Yo, if you walk into a dude and he's just super calm, I don't even want to be here. Absolutely. If I were to agree, if I were to do a fight now, I know that's in God's hands. Allah's the best of planners. He will decide if I need to win and destroy this man or if I need to lose more or less. If you look at the Islamic fighters, they say, oh, it's already decided. They're so calm. And by the way, is that scary? Super scary. Yo, if you walk into a dude and he's just super calm, I don't even want to be here. Absolutely. If I were to agree, if I were to do a fight now, I know that's in God's hands. Allah's the best of planners. He will decide if I need to win and destroy this man or if I need to lose more or less.
$12. Literally now get a funded account for $12. Like I haven't seen any other prop firm do this. This is crazy. Equity Edge just launched the cheapest prop firm account in the entire trading space. You can get $2,500 in funding for $12. It's still the same standard two-step evaluation. I believe they also do have a one-step model on these account sizes, so you can pick which one you want. It's really cool to now allow people to really get into funding accounts for such a low barrier of entry. This is so good for beginner traders. If you're just getting into the markets, you're starting off, and you want to take a funded, but you don't want to risk a lot of money. You just want a little bit of experience because maybe you think you might fail your first 3 funders or whatever, and you want to learn from your lessons. You can do it for such a cheap price now, instead of sitting there spamming 100k challenges and just losing a whole bunch.
Y'all just wait till after Monday, after that eclipse, and I get my superpowers. Game on. Y'all just wait till after Monday, after that eclipse, and I get my superpowers. Game on. And Allah, إذا أراد بعبد خيرا جعل قلبه منكسرا وهو في طريقه إلى الله.
Do not be weakened nor be sad. You will be superior if you are true believers.
And Allah.
I feel no compulsion to go back to America. I've been away for a month. This is the first time I have zero homesickness. I just don't want. I want to keep staying here.
How's that? Like I've been here for 10 years. So, yeah, UK is my home. UK is my home. Born and raised in England, and I came over here to study. I don't want to go back. And you don't want to. When you're 40, don't go here. Medina is a home for every believer. Why would you want to go back? This is your home. So, you see what I'm talking about? Like, you know what's not? Like, you know what's not? Everything about this is sleep. Allah created the whole universe. Everything in existence is created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Every planet, every place on Earth. And so imagine how many different locations there are in the world. So many, I think millions of hundreds of thousands of cities, millions of places to be on the Earth. Much better in the universe, multiplied by that, how many solar systems there are, more than that. But there are certain places that Allah has mentioned in the Quran directly. This mosque where you're standing is one of those places.
I feel no compulsion to go back to America. I've been away for a month, and this is the first time I have zero homesickness. I just don't want. I want to keep staying here.
I've been here for 10 years.
Muhammad.
So guys, this is not how to prostrate. When we leave a gap in the rows, Allah will forsake us, as it says in by the Hadith Sahih Muslim and Al-Bukhari. We should close the gaps together, shoulder to shoulder, shoulder to shoulder, ankle to ankle, shoulders to shoulder, ankle to ankle, shoulders to shoulder. Allah says in the Hadith, whoever completes all of your past sins are going to be forgiven on the night of Laylatul Qadr.
The sun, hopefully.
All of your past sins are going to all of your past sins are going to be forgiven on the night of Laylatul Qadr. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, listen to it very carefully, in the authentic hadith collected in Sahih Bukhari, where the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam he says, "Man qama Laylatul Qadri imanan wa ihtisaban ghufira lahu ma taqaddama min dhanbihi." The Prophet he says, whoever stands on the night of Laylatul Qadr, having complete faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and expecting the reward from only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, his past sins are going to be forgiven. All of your past sins are going to be forgiven. Allahu Akbar. It is not you that is going to actually stand. You might want to stand, but you need to ask Allah for tawfiq. Ya Allah, allow me to stand on the night of Laylatul Qadr. And also make a lot of tawbah, because you don't want your sins to hold you back from standing on that night of Laylatul Qadr and losing on these big, enormous rewards. So you know how it is? Let the sunnah go forth and don't stop. All of your past sins are going to be forgiven on the night of Laylatul Qadr. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, listen to
The sun, hopefully wearing glasses, but they're going to be doing this. They're going to be grabbing their smartphones and wanting to take a picture. So how can you take a photo safely? Is there a way to do this?
There's a safe way to do this, and this is only with a special purpose solar filters. These filters must meet a very specific worldwide standard known as ISO 12312-2. And as long as these filters have these standard, they can use these filters over the camera, either a regular camera or the iPhone or any phone at any particular device that they like to use to take their photos.
So are you saying don't just use your regular device? You need to have a filter? Wow, okay.
Yeah. So could you actually put the glasses right in front of the lens, if you have two pair of glasses maybe, and put those over the lens of the camera? Oh, okay. All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, that's the right way to do that.
At the sun, hopefully wearing glasses, but they're going to be doing this. They're going to be grabbing.
Start with a date. If there's no date, you can drink a water. Okay? Stop. Repeat after me. If you're eating a date, repeat after me. اللهم إني لك صمت. وعلى رزقك أفطرت. فاغفر لي وارحمني. وتقبل صيامي. Then you can ask whatever you want from Allah Azza wa Jalla, okay? Bismillah. Hold up. You have to start with a date. If there's no date, you can drink a water, okay? Stop.
Tahiyatul Masjid. The 2 rak'ahs we're ordered to pray before sitting when entering a masjid. Is it sunnah? Meaning recommended? The answer is no. It is mandatory. It is wajib. If you sit without doing it, you'll be sinful. If you pray it, you have reward. So it is sunnah in the sense that the Prophet usually did it and he ordered us to do it. But it, in the sense of rulings, it is mandatory and wajib. Tahiyyatul masjid.
Your most brutal life lesson. No one really cares. Your mother cares about you, that's it. Your brother, maybe one or two friends, but no one actually cares about men. So young men out there who haven't quite reached the no one cares about you stage, trust me, wait till you're 21. No one cares. Good luck. The most brutal life lesson.
I'm giving away a $20,000 shopping trip to Dubai, including your flights and your stay in luxury 5-star hotel.
Oh, so chat. So what happened recently right now? What happened, right? It does have it right. Under 30. So what happened to the market right now? There's a 4-hour fair value gap. Yashing out of it right now currently. Waiting for that market structure shift. The profits are going to be based out of the hourly, which is going to be right over here as well. Yo, what? Yo, what? Okay, give me reaction out to the back to the upside. Okay, what I'm gonna do is delete my boy Instagram. Nah, I ain't getting no bitches.
My slave.
I'm giving away a $20,000 shopping trip to Dubai, including your flights and your stay in a luxury 5-star hotel. As you guys know, last week I flew with one of my followers to Dubai. We spent a day together in pure luxury and we did a $15,000 shopping trip. And this time we're going to do it once again. I'm going to fly someone out to Dubai.
A couple of stats here that I think are most important for you guys to study, and I would even say try to mimic, try to use my numbers as a buffer. Maybe think of them as like your bumpers when you're being.
We have. Yes, I'm
Prime example would say. Prime example would say trading. If you trade in a good mood, guess what? You take a trade.
We have the survive gap that got formed. So chat. Oh, I know, that did it to me. If this goes below this is where the race stops, so. Oh, no, after the market starts to shift. It's gonna end bearish, I know that for sure. Bombo clad. Hey, mommy. No nude fuzzy that I mean no trade cause no volume, bro. I don't like to trade fucking news, bro. Trading news kinda gay, dog. I ain't gonna lie. Cause you can't really predict that. Volume is. Yeah, I'm a scalper, bro. So yeah, do that. But it don't really matter, brother. Damn, this bug going down.
Israeli sound? What's the most Israeli sound?
Vision in the West Bank didn't happen again overnight or in October or last year. It has been happening. It was orchestrated. It's a policy of dividing the land and thus dividing the people. It's like the Swiss cheese. To make it worse, the Israelis are surrounding and shutting down each enclave by itself. Vision in the West Bank didn't happen again overnight or in October or last year. It has been happening. It was orchestrated.
Look, I'm very bullish on the long-term viability of Bitcoin. I was going to say, did that surprise? That surprised me how much that's gone up. I mean, look, it is. We're creating now a market that has more liquidity, more transparency, and I'm pleasantly surprised, and I would never have predicted it before we filed it, that we were going to see this type of retail demand. So you thought you'd do good, but not this good. I thought, yes.
Well, IBIT is your ETF over at iShares.
Yes.
It's about to overtake Grayscale, which was in the business certainly a lot longer. You look at the gains since January 11th when it first came about.
Yes.
Have you ever seen this much inflow this quickly into?
IBIT is the fastest growing ETF in the history of ETFs. Look, I'm very bullish on the long-term viability of Bitcoin. I was going to say, did that surprise? That surprised me how much that's gone up. I mean, look, it is. We're creating now a market that has more liquidity, more transparency, and I'm pleasantly surprised, and I would never have predicted it before we filed it.
Now, we're seeing an increase in business investment in a number of new industries targeted by the PRC's industrial policy. And that includes electric vehicles, lithium-ion batteries, and solar. China is now simply too large for the rest of the world to absorb this enormous capacity. Actions taken by the PRC today can shift world prices. And when the global market is flooded by artificially cheap Chinese products, the viability of American and other foreign firms is put into question.
Nice little Sunday video as we head into this new week. This Bitcoin chart, the structure that you see here, approaching the apex. Something big, I think, in terms of crypto getting ready to happen now after we've had some nice consolidation, a little choppy waters for Bitcoin. It's going to affect, obviously, Bitcoin price. It's going to affect the
California that would allow illegals to own a home. They basically would help you with the down payment. I want the viewers to know they give 20% down. Then when you sell it, you owe that money back. It's AB 1840. A lot of people are saying this is a slap in the face. Is this something that's going to pass in the state of California? I mean, owning a home in America is living the American dream. There are so many families who can't afford a down payment because they're in that tax bracket, which won't allow them to even get that 20% down.
Yeah, it's going to pass, and I think a lot of it has to do with perpetuating this narrative.
You know, I'm reminded of there's a scene in The Princess Bride. Great movie. Great. Where he confronts the person who killed his father. And he says, offer me money. Offer me power. I don't care.
So you just don't care. You want to share what you have to say.
I'll say what I want to say, and if the consequence of that is losing money, so be it.
Okay.
You know,
Agoraphobic? Agoraphobic?
Why?
Into whether someone or many people benefited financially from the evil done to the country last Tuesday. Not long before, federal officials have begun a major investigation into whether someone or many people benefited financially from the evil done to the country last Tuesday. Not long before the attacks occurred, there were some financial transactions in the stock market that may indicate knowledge of the attack before it began.
This could very well be insider trading. The worst, most horrific, most evil use you've ever seen in your entire life.
One example, United Airlines. The Thursday before the attack, more than 2,000 contracts betting that the stock would go down were purchased. 90 times more in one day than in 3 weeks. When the markets reopened, United stock dropped. The price of the contracts soared, and someone may have made a lot of money fast.
$180,000 turns into $2.4 million when that plane hits the World Trade Center.
Same story with American Airlines.
That's a five-fold increase in the value of what was a $337,000 trade on Monday.
All of a sudden becomes what?
$1.8 million.
There's much more, including an extraordinarily high number of bets against Morgan Stanley and Marsh & McLennan, two of the World Trade Center's biggest tenants.
Could this be a coincidence? This would be one of the most extraordinary coincidences in the history of mankind if it was a coincidence.
So the Secretary of the Treasury said today of this investigation, you've got to go through 10 bails before you get to the real source. Federal officials have begun a major...
They're all hyped up and psychotic. But Israel's going to get us nuked, always backing them up like this.
Arabs cattle, corrupt Arab governments that are in league with this government. It's really a sick Hegelian dialectic, order out of chaos, bringing the world crises, bringing them terrorism, so we'll accept a highly dictatorial police state regime. It's happened. I don't support the Palestinians either. They're all hyped up and psychotic. But Israel's going to get us nuked, always backing them up like this. Israel calls the Palestinians goyim or cattle or dogs or subhuman. They keep them on concentration camps. I got video of them taking Palestinian women's tomatoes they grow and breaking their water containers and stealing. That
100% cancer remission achieved in all patients in a groundbreaking study.
Hey, yeah. Just lock in. Lock in. We gotta be patient, confident, feeling emotional, not greedy. We have to buy and discount, not be greedy. Don't trade a thing. Wait for a 5 minute obstruction. Wait for a 5 minute comfort than before getting into a trade. Okay. So big structure up. We have this auto block. Let's see if we can get a close above in the next 10 seconds. I'm cold for some reason, dog. Negro. Okay, if you can get a close above, we have the fair value gap. And we are in a bearish spot. Discount spot, I mean. We got that. Boom. Usually, if we can go touch this, I'll go back up. We could take it out of this order block, or we could take it out of this fair value gap. Well, I'm really looking for this Oh, God. Sell stop are gonna rest below this. Way below. Let's see how this is gonna end. Okay, yeah, it's gonna end bullish. Okay. Break structure. We have this breaker block as well. But we were mainly looking at this hotspot, which is this. No, I'm saying. Which is this spot right here at the auto block. So we're looking at our hotspot. And the hotspot we have on that 79%, we have a fair value gap. So this spot right here is where like the hot spot is. I just press up to. This right here is the hot spot where you mainly want to look for, because look at the fair value gap. It is 79% of the mark. So if we can get that, but we have to be patient, disciplined, confident, feeling emotionally not greedy. Ah. Yo, that's kind of gay. أعوذ بالله. أعوذ بالله. Okay, let's see. Break structure. Come back down, you stupid shit. Yo, let's leave you a C, nigga. السما. Bah. Let's see how this is acting. Just a fair 5 and fair value gap. Gotta go touch the auto block. If he could touch the 62% mark, would be great. 79% mark. Let this end below this, cause this. I gotta see. I gotta wait for a breakout structure. But this right here, hotspot. Get a reaction out of this. I might enter right on the reaction, cause I might not wait for the breakout structure due to 79% mark and fair value gap in the hotspot. So let's just say I got in like right here. Sell stop will be below this. 290. Okay, 1.67, that's what we're looking for. If it's over here, I'm looking for a breakup structure. If it's over here, I'm looking wait for a reaction. If it's over here, breakup structure, over here, reaction. Cause I'm gonna still be in a discount spot, so yeah. Let's see how this ends. $5.90. Okay, 0.30. If he ends above here, I'm not gonna enter here due to I gotta wait for a picture, but over here I'm looking for such a big sell stop, but yeah, we have to go with it. For wallet, over here is a hot spot. Look like that's a hotspot spot. So stop right below this. But if I can get a reaction out of this spot, mainly that's where I'm looking to get in. This is a good ass spot. You respected my Ferrari gap as well, which is a good thing. Okay, we got a new one over here. Yeah, still using the same amount. Now, if this goes above this, I'm not gonna buy. Ooh. Off the risk over, slightly over risk, but this is rough to get in. Wow. Am I in? Shit, I got in, but very late. Oh my god. Sell stop is gonna change from there to down to this fair value gap. Wow. This motherfucker. What spot is that? 84. 27. Alright, to take profit is gonna be no sell stop's gonna be 27, 16. Right over there. Take profit. It's going to be at 2353.86. This is going for a quick 3.8. I had to. Oh, I'm gonna drop my phone. I had to really. Oh my god. So how should have I done this? I was patient. I was confident. I feel the emotion. I was not greedy. Such a late entry, bro. Oh my G. OMG. But did I buy in premium? I did buy in premium, so I mean in discount. But I should have just bought on the reaction out of that. But you might go ahead and fill this fair value gap in and go back up. Okay, so we gotta take profits. That's how we chilling. Okay. Let's get this, buddy. Oops. Test it again. So what I did wrong today was that I should have entered on the reaction and I waited too long. Meaning, what I mean by waited too long is meaning that that huge up was like a multiplication to me, you know. I'll tell that my thing that I should have entered on the reaction. The breakup structure always bullshitting me, bro. Let's see how this goes. But there's no way we might get another play this hard though. This right here is a breaker block and an order block. Oh shoot, where was my entry? 23. Oh my god. OMG chat. Where was it? 27. This is where my thing was. If I get stopped out, I'm gonna look for a re-entry right down here on this fair value gap. But we got a 5-minute sell side liquidity. We got right here. I knew it. This place was a hot spot. I knew it. It was a hot spot. So I got manipulated. That's what I got. Okay. So I should have entered on the reaction of that. So I should have not waited for a 1 minute wake up structure and just entered on a reaction. If this candle ends in a strong bullish candle, you go right back up. But if not, it wouldn't go right back down and take me out. Then I'm gonna look for another entry to get in. So I bought too late. Okay. I mean, I bought too late. Yeah. So yep. Let's see how this reacts on this 1 minute fair value, 5 minute fair value gap. If the reaction is not good, I might go back to and my re-enter right over here on the top spot. But if they take me out right here, and my trade invalid, it is invalid, then I'm just not gonna trade no more. If it ends above, it's gonna be chilling. Yep, it ended above, so you're gonna go right back up. How do I get manipulated? If I go to DXY, oh, DXY just swept it out. See the hourly confluence that are pushing it down. Go for this. I got stopped. Okay. We see how this 1 5 minute reacts. If the 5 minute can end above this, we're chilling and just touch that auto block. But if this auto block could, so if I take me out, I might enter from right here. Look for a strong bullish reaction, then enter from there. Let's see if you can close above. Stopped me out. Okay, so first trade got stopped me out. This other one hit the 79% mark. Let's see what type of reaction we can get from that. This one was a loss. Which one was other over here? Okay. What did it do? Okay. I need a strong bullish candle, then we got pick from that. This strong bullish candle ends in a bullish. I'ma enter since he touched my criteria. Let me go look for how much I want to risk for this. Okay. Let's see if I long position from here, sell stop below this 300. This ends in a bullish reaction. Come on, bro. Let me buy.
Chicken dip here. Wake me up in like
You didn't Rosa? Shut up. You took it so fast.
huh?
You took it fast.
I don't know. All I ate last night was that little thing, and I didn't eat all day basically yesterday.
What did you do to us?
I went to saw that thing. I'm gonna just make up for it. Wake me up in like an hour, okay? Cause I have to call. I have to go make some calls. Okay.
How am I over risking? Hold on. Oh yeah, I bought a little up here. Huh. Oh my god, my risk management ass. Oh my goodness. Boom. That's another fair value gap. Damn, what the frick. ما ينسى خامل كانوا باش دقيقة اخوانا برا. ها؟ شي؟
They cannot ride by me.
Okay, it's getting strong. Yes, and right back up. The new one is over here. If it goes below this, you value my trade, my entry point, then I'm out. So what I did wrong is that I bought another reaction out of this. So that would have been down here still. The other thing I did wrong is right here over leverage. We took a revenge trade today, so yeah.
What, bro? Why the fuck you guys always fighting? Bro, she cannot wake you up for work, may cook for you. You're not a fucking queen. No, why should she wake you up? Gujomero. Gujomero. What does that mean, Masai of nothing? So she has not given you $1 yet. She has not given you.
This right here, so what I did wrong over here? What I still had the same entries with this.
I don't know what to tell you guys. You guys keep on fighting, keep on. کالا رو ادریس برش نخریده بود.
How can I put this in a percentage page, bro?
I don't know what do you want to do with her, bro.
If this
Okay. Okay. I mean, zamesem دیگه.
If you can end above this would be a great move back to the upside. Retest, you're doing a retest at the level. So this might go down where might go down to these spots. So this should start ripping right back up, right? Want to see some strong volatility.
No. چند روپه؟ کالا را برای 600 روپه خریده. کدام کالا هست او؟
There's some bad reaction over there. This has to start sweeping out and going right back down.
I know Idrissa.
Over here.
Shit, I don't know what the fuck to say.
There's some bad reaction. You just touched the other one, right? We're gonna break through this level right here would be great.
Yeah, don't be telling Idris about her. Like whoever cares. To live us did they wanna.
Yeah. They're never gonna listen to you. They can't hear you. See, they ain't
Huh?
Don't go sleep somewhere else, bro. 'Cause I gotta use this place.
Oh, خدافظ.
It's giving him bad reaction, chat. It's like this. It's just that's another Fervai gap. Uh, no, it just says it Fervai gap. It's back in this Fervai gap.
Oh,
This where new
that
orders
gap
come in.
Hasta geldi.
That's bad reaction. Dude, this shit. This has to close above this spot right here. If you can close above this spot, it would be great. If not, then that's a bad thing, you know. If you can close above this, if you can close above 23, 33, 42, it would be a great thing due to this has a resistance area. You see. Now I think we're gonna get some reaction right back to the downside. Yeah, huh? You have to close above it. It has to close above that. Come on, accumulate orders and push it up. You see, this type of reaction where you have to end above it though. You have to end above it. Like this is what we want. Told you have to add above it. Like this one. Now this is type of good reaction. But if it could go reset the same levels, reset the same 23, 33.42, then go right back up, that would be great. If not, push it right back down, then we're gonna be able to accumulate again. Okay, you should the same level. So where's your resetting in a higher time frame? In a higher time frame, nothing really. You just swept out these highs. That's what it did. But these highs are not that strong, so yeah. That might cause it to come right back down. To see how strong these highs were. Those are kind of strong highs, to be honest. So, I should have done partials here, but hourly conflicts are better than lower time frame. If we can get it for value gap, I'm gonna put my take profit and this for value gap right over here. Where can we put it? At the start of it or at the end of it? At the start of it, take profit gonna be, but it has to credit first. TP right over there. So next time it goes above it, I'm gonna get out of there. Then I'm gonna do some partials and let the runners run. But that's in the next couple minutes. That might not even happen. So first gotta let it end, then I gotta see. See, like I told you how I said you have to close above it and retest it and go right back up, but it didn't do that. If it goes below that, that's when the market just goes the fifth highest. So yeah. There were a lot of resting liquidity over there. But it looks like DXY just swept out the other low. Yeah, that's why it went up. That's why it went down, I mean. This is the external. So that's how liquidity one would be aiming for. We can get a breakup structure right back to the upside. That would be even greater than great. This huge reaction right back to the downside. Boom. These swads is ripping down. Oh my god. And gold is just tripping out. Gold is not giving us enough strong confirmation. If gold can hit that thing before that, that would be great. But not. Man, what can I say? What a shame. Bada bang. Just gonna accumulate until this hourly candle closes. Let's see if we can get a strong, or if we can get a creative provide gap and above this line, would be a great sign again. Oh, we already touched it. Okay, already went above it. Okay, but you need to provide, have to get credit. Okay. Greater fair value gap. Okay, just better the fair value gap. You see this? I don't know what you're doing this for, but I tell you, the market is like, no, bro. Oh, I'm gonna stay here till 11 then. I'm gonna say that, make a video. I'm gonna say why I lost that one. I'm gonna say what I did wrong. And I'm gonna say that why I shouldn't have that bot there. So my take profit is gonna be right here now. To an hour. Just wait.
Predators drain
Damn, I got stopped up. Alright. This trade is no longer valid, so yep, let's go with my thing. You put my other one as well. So both of them were 2 losses, right? 2% loss on both. These are 2 point 2.0. Oh my god, I hate this. Okay. This is the 4/8/2024 market recap at the moment in my daily bias. And trade recap, by the way. In my daily bias, I want to touch this, see about these low, touch this 4-hour for Vega, which it did, touch this order block, which it did, and which now is going back up, give me reaction out of it, give me a 5-minute breakout structure right over here. 5-minute breakout structure. Prior to the final breakout structure, I waited for a building block to get touched with the fair value gap in a 5-minute. We want to go to 1 minute. Let's get down to 1 minute. Prior to that touch. So what I did wrong was basically I entered a little too late due to because I should have entered on the reaction of the fair value gap and not too late. You know, I should have originally entered over here or over here, but I entered over here and then that was a whole 1% loss. You know, that's what I did wrong. So next time I'll make sure I enter right on the reaction of which was like between these two. So I should have entered between that. My sell stop was over here because I was gonna risk too much. And I over leveraged on this trade, so I'll make sure next time I use the right risk management and use the right leverage. And I took my other trade after I got stopped out. I was really looking at this 0.79% mark, which was over here in the fair value gap. He touched it. I waited for the reaction out of it. I took that reaction. My sell stop was right below here, and he went up, swept all these highs. He swept out a 30-minute high. Was it a 30-minute or what did he sweep? Oh shit! I don't know what he did. He went up and swept out a 15-minute high, but I didn't really count that my order. I didn't count that my take profit due to because I don't know if that was greedy though. Was that greedy? Possibly was greedy. But I will make sure I should have taken partial right here as my take profit 1. As you can see, this take profit was a 1-to-1. 1 to 139, and I lost, by the way, on these two trades combined. I lost 2.10%, no, 2.10% on this trade. So what I did wrong was I did not enter on the reaction. I waited too long. I didn't use the right leverage, didn't use the right risk management, and got greedy on my take profit. That's what I think. I got greedy on my take profit max. So my take profit should have been here. I should have break even, and yeah, I would have made that loss back. But yeah, so the reason I got out is due to my whole thing is now invalidated because it just crossed over this line right here. It's no more valid, so I got out. But this trade, I should have done this. I should have done a 15-minute take profit. So next time I'll make sure I'll make sure to do a 15-minute to a 30-minute take profit that's near me so I can break even and do some partials. That's what I got for today. And yeah, 4/8/2024 market recap. So what I'm gonna try to do is try to be patient, be disciplined, be fearless, be emotionless, execute right on the reaction. Wait for a 5-minute breakup treasure first, then look for a 5-minute building block, then enter out of that. Don't enter on a premium, enter on a discount. But I did, although I did enter on a discount, but it was just above discount, so which wasn't good. So be patient, disciplined, confident, fearless. Enter on discount. Do not be greedy on your take profits. I think I was greedy on my take profit right over here, so that's where I lost. Yep. And the other thing was that I should have. I mean, the other thing is use right risk management and use the right leverage. That's what I got, and I promise you guys I'll come back then better than ever. And there's 2 losses for today. I lost 2.10%, 2.1%, and yeah. See you guys in the next live stream in the video. Peace out. So I did do that wrong. Two losses, huh? I knew what I did wrong. Don't want to go again. So, until I'm tired on the reaction. And then, use the right risk management, you leverage. That's my live stream for today, and I learned from this mistake, and I will better myself and not be greedy on my take profit, because I believe I was greedy. Huh. Oh, that's an hourly auto vlog. Got greedy on my take profit. Should have been there. I know I did wrong. Yeah, I was greedy on my take profit. So yeah. Did I talk about that in my video? I gotta check my video if I talk about it. 4/8/2024 market recap as I wanted my daily bias. And trade recap, by the way. In my daily bias, I want to touch this, see about these low, touch this 4-hour for Vega, which it did, touch this auto block, which it did, and which now is going back up, give me a reaction out of it, give me a 5-minute breakup structure right over here. 5-minute breakup structure. Prior to the 5-minute breakup structure, I waited for a building block to get touched with the fair value gap in a 5-minute. We want to go to 1 minute. Let's get down to 1 minute. Prior to the touch. So what I did wrong was basically I entered a little too late because I should have entered on the reaction of the fair value gap and not too late. You know, I should have originally entered over here or over here, but I entered over here, and that was a whole 1% loss. You know, that's what I did wrong. So next time I'll make sure I enter right on the reaction of which was like between these two. So I should have entered between that. My sell stop was over here because I was gonna risk too much, and I over leveraged on this trade. So I'll make sure next time I use the right risk management and use the right leverage. And I took my other trade after I stopped out. I was really looking at this 0.79% mark, which was over here in the fair value gap. He touched it. I waited for the reaction out of it. I took that reaction. My sell stop was right below here, and it went up, swept all these highs. He swept out a 30-minute high. Was it a 30-minute or what did he sweep? Oh shit! I don't know what he did. He went up and swept out a 15-minute high, but I didn't really count that my take profit due to because I don't know if that was greedy though. Was that greedy? Possibly was greedy. But I'll make sure I should have taken partial right here as my take profit one. As you can see, this take profit was a 1-to-1, 139, and I lost, by the way, on these two trades combined. I lost 2.10%, no, 2.10% on this trade. So what I did wrong was I did not enter on the reaction. I waited too long. I didn't use the right leverage, didn't use the right risk management, and got greedy on my take profit. That's what I think. I got greedy on my take profit max. So my take profit should have been here. I should have break even, and yeah, I would have made that loss back. But yeah, so the reason I got out is due to my whole thing is now invalidated because it just crossed over this line right here. It's no more valid, so I got out. But this trade, I should have done this. I should have done a 15-minute take profit. So next time I'll make sure I'll make sure to do a 15-minute to a 30-minute take profit that's near me so I can break even and do some partials. That's what I got for today. And yeah, 4/8/2024 market recap. So I'm gonna try to do. Let me go back. Take profit should have been right over here. So I don't know what I did wrong. And record this, pause this too. So I was greedy on my take profit. Okay, I was greedy on my take profit. Okay. Holy cow. Okay. So I became greedy today. Okay, so became greedy. Okay, keep this chart like this. I became greedy to the chat. Alright, man, chat. That's it. And should I record actually? I'm just gonna call my phone. Just use my phone. Alright, I'm out, chat. But I know what I did wrong today. Then I will fix it.